few weeks ago, we had so much fun here. We're on this beautiful lake from morning till sunset, and sometimes on the big lake, boating and sometimes taking a nap in the middle of the lake. Or going to the next island, taking a walk at the beach, and I even counted these birds, and we did take more naps. When we're not boating, I go biking under this canopies as I watch these leaves falling to the ground. In other words, it was so much fun, and we did not even care about the time. And then we just realized winter is here, and we are freezing cold. We're not even done putting our boats and motorcycles inside the storage or winterize them yet. The snowstorm is here. We're the only odd people who never put our things together on time. Some of our boats are still on the water, so we're trying to tow them in the middle of this storm. And crazy enough, we don't even have a four-wheel drive car. And there's nowhere to find a chain in the area. We just went to the store and the lady said they ran out of it. So we have no choice right now but to do whatever we can and learn from this experience. So right now we are towing one of the boats, and I put this boat next to the cabin, and we're also going to check on what are the things that we need to pack at the cabin. And then after that, we're going to get one of the boats out of the water. We're not really sure if we can do all these things, but we'll see. We'll try. We don't go there. We don't go to the forest. We don't go.
So go check out SmokyHills.com. If you have any questions, you can always find us here in Park Rapids at Smoky Hills Outdoor Store.
Electric Cooperative would like to remind you of the importance of properly maintaining your heating system. Make sure it's in working order before cold weather arrives.
We are here.
Or by having a heating contract.
Oh gosh.
Inspection safety.
What kind of mess do we have here? Okay. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, careful. Oops. Uh-oh. Be careful. Good job, babe. Yay! Well, that's an odd way to place a boat, but we need a trailer to get the other boat out of the water. So we'll leave it that way for now. We still have a lot of mess here. We have this big trailer to put away. We have that boat and that. Well, we need to keep going because we are going to get that boat out of the water.
Just gotta get up the hill here. Come on. Go up the hill. Okay.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, we're almost there, and we're going to hopefully get this boat out of the water. And look at that. So we're here now. Okay, well, see if we can do it. Oh gosh, what did we do? Well, could be worse. We're almost there. Uh-oh, oops. No, don't go to the ditch. There's a big ditch. We are trying to put this boat somewhere and then we can get the motorcycle and put it in the storage. So here he is. I hope nobody's watching us right now. Okay. 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 That's it. Okay. I am ready to leave. So we are packing our bags and we will just let other people put all the boats in the storage because it's just too cold. So we are leaving today finally, and we will just come back in the spring. We are leaving right now if we can. Yay, we did it.